All right, so what are you going to do with that Zoom recording now? Well, hopefully you had everybody attend 100% virtually to your class or to your meeting online. But if not, you have that recording, and that's what I showed you last time. So we've got that recording here. A couple of things that immediately come to mind. One is putting it into Google Drive. So let me open up my Drive. I can make a new folder. And we can call this reading class. Right here, if I open up my folder, right now it's empty, but I can upload a file. So let me go find my reading file. Okay, so here it is, on March 20th that we created earlier. We'll open it up, and it's going to take a little bit of time to upload over here, so I'll pause the video for a second. Okay, so now my video has uploaded, and of course the longer the class was or the meeting was that you recorded, the longer it will take it to upload. But from here, if you're not that familiar with Google Drive, you will need to select it, and we're going to need to get a shareable link. So we can get that link here. We want to turn it on. I like to go to the settings so I can verify what's by default here. And it says that anybody with this link is going to be able to view it. So I can copy that link. And now it's going to be my choice. I can open up an email. And if I need to send it out to my class, I'll call it the link. Paste it in. And you are ready to share that with people. I could take that link and put it into a Google site if I had that set up for me, or a Google Classroom. If you're a school, that might be an option that you're using. Another option would be putting it on YouTube. So if you have a Gmail, you may not realize that that means you automatically have a YouTube account. So we'll open up our YouTube. And we're going to find where our channel is, because you actually have one. And here's a little button here. Looks like a video camera. We are going to upload our video here. Need to go find it again. And then again, it's going to take some time. What title? It is our same one that we had named it, March 20th, 2020 reading class. If you needed to add some details, you can. And it is going through the process of getting everything ready here. I can see on the bottom 28% uploaded, so let me pause while it does that. All right, and once it finally uploads, you'll have the finished look here, and it even lets you choose what they call the thumbnail. That's going to be the view that people see whenever they first are looking at just the still picture of your video. So I'm going to choose the one that has the title, and I'll say next. Is it kid friendly? Your choice there. I'll say yes. And next. Now here's the choice you get to make. Do you want it public, like the whole entire world is going to see this? Do you want it private, only you and people that I choose would see it? Or do you want it unlisted? And this is the option I tend to go with, that only people who have my direct link are going to be able to see this video. If you need to schedule it, maybe you're scheduling a release of some coursework in the coming weeks, you could schedule that here. What day do you want it to appear? Or if we're going to just save it and publish it. And again, I like unlisted because random people are not going to find it out there. And that made me more comfortable, especially with the thought of people may not be that comfortable being online at this point. We're going to stumble our way through for a while, but we're going to make it and we're going to be fine. But we know that our beginning steps are going to be kind of like baby steps, and we'll get better as time goes by. So if you want to be more protective of yourself, choose unlisted, and then just people that you send it out to will see it. And here is the link that you're going to be able to share, and this is the copy button, so I can copy that and use that to put into an email or put into Google Classroom, Google Drive, whatever else I might do. Say save, and then it will take some time to get that rendered and set up. But meanwhile, if you want, you're ready to share that straight out to Facebook or Twitter or any of the other links that they allow, even straight out to an email. So I hope this has helped you. My goal was for you to get some ideas of what are you going to do with that actual Zoom recording now that you've made it. We hope that people will watch you face to face so they can feel connected and stay connected with you during this time. But for those who are not able to join you at that exact time, it's recorded and something that you can use later. Have a great day, everyone.